Evening and Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Akib Jaman from Tehsil, Bangladesh. Today we're going to learn how to use VES in words. Okay, so let's get started. So the rule is if a noun ends in F, you often change F to V and add ES, okay? Adding VES, okay? Like this man, what he's teaching us, this man is teaching us that here, V and add ES, then first cut the F, then add VES, okay? So that's the rule, and now there are singular plural and singular plural. Okay, so there are many examples. I'm just going to tell these lines. Okay, first one is let me tell another thing. Okay, here the word if is there are two parts. Okay, using VES. There are two parts which is made by people and made by nature. Okay, like here there are cloth, CLAF. Here, gloves, CLAVES, gloves. Then elf is a natural thing. Okay, elves. Then half is a natural thing. Halves, VES. Then leaf is a natural thing. Leaves. Okay, not leaves. Leaves. Okay. So now we're going to help the grammar. Okay. Now we're going to help the grammar. So to help the grammar, we need here. These are made by peoples. So first, I said that there are two parts, which is made by nature and made by peoples. Okay. So these are made by peoples. Here we will add VES, but here we'll add only F. Okay. Rather using VES, we'll use only S. Okay. To form plural, not VES, no ES or no IES. Okay. So here is chief. Chief means the owner. It's not actually an honor, but it's a kind of telling an honor. Okay, so chiefs, not not ES, not IS, or not VES. Okay, so chief. Okay, then here is chief. Okay, chief. Like you're studying much, and you became a chief by yourself. Okay, chief. Oh, that's not a chief, it's chef. Okay, I'm sorry. Chefs. We're not saying that like ES or IES like that. We should say only S. Should add only S. Chefs. Then cleaves. That clip. Do you know about that clip? Like what we put in our dresses. So that clip will add only S, not IS, VES, or other plural, other things to make plural. Okay. So here there is these are only three. I'm giving you more examples. Singular and plural. Handicap. Okay. Handicrafts. Roof is made by people. Okay, roof is the roof of the sad in Bangladesh. Sad, ghore sad. So roofs. Sharif, SHERIFF. Sharif. Do you know what that means by Sharif? This is another word you can learn from here. Sharif means policeman. Okay, the another name of policeman is Sharif. Okay, Sharif. SHERIFF, not ES, not VES R-I-E-N. Okay, so that's all about this topic. Hope you learned something, and so that's all for today. Bye bye. Love us.